Hi guys, it's Khushi and welcome to another episode of DIY Fridays. In today's video, I'm going to make something using this cardboard tubes. So I have two cardboard tubes, but one has little bit of black paint on it. So I'm going to use that one only. I'm going to make a stand for my paint brushes, and this is inspired by the lollipop stands you see at the candy stores. To make holes in the tube, I'm going to use a compass. Then I'm going to use a pen to make the hole bigger so that my brush can fit in. Just like that, I'm going to make more holes. This is what the tube looks like. I have so many paint brushes, but obviously not all can fit. Before going forward with paints, I'm just going to check whether the brushes can fit or not. Now I'm going to apply a layer of gesso. Initially I applied it with a sponge, but I did not like the texture, so I decided to use a flat brush instead and apply an even coat and let it dry. Now I'm going to use aqua blue acrylic paint and apply an even coat. To make this more colorful, I'm going to use acrylic markers from Domes for the very first time. I don't know how good they are, but let's just use them and see. This is a 12 shades pack, so I have limited colors to work with. I'm just going to draw some candies. One thing I can say is that you need to apply like a double coat, especially when you're using these markers on an acrylic paint. And so I did that, but they were not very bright. this is what the paintbrush stand looks like. A very simple and easy DIY. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video, and if you did, then give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. If you want to watch more such DIY videos, then do let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.